To a situation where you need to make an insurance claim, you may want the help of Metro Public Adjustment. Don Hansen is here now with more. Don, thanks for being here.
Hi, Dave. Thanks for having me.
So our show is in its 7th season, and I have to admit, I didn't know there was such a thing as a public adjuster. So this is pretty cool, and it may be very helpful to our viewers. So explain what you do as a public adjuster and how that can help them.
Okay. Most people don't know what a public adjuster is, and what it is a consumer advocate for home and business owners when they have damage to their property that's covered by insurance, to make sure that they're treated and paid fairly by their insurance company. So we make sure that we maximize their settlement, and we handle the whole process for them from start to finish.
We often hear stories from people saying they made an insurance claim and it might have been denied, or they're just getting a lot of difficulty from the insurance company. That's one of the benefits. You mentioned being an advocate to the homeowner, the consumer, and talk about some of the other benefits of a public adjuster.
Well, like I said, we handle the whole process, so we can actually come in at any point in time in the claim. We can be the first point of contact before the insurance company is ever notified to make sure that the claim's even worth submitting. We can come in the middle when you're dealing with the insurance company. We can even reopen claims that have taken place that maybe weren't paid out properly for up to a year for homeowners, and we also handle business and commercial policies, so that's up to 2 years. The benefits of having someone to represent you, and life is crazy as it is, and trying to deal with the insurance company when you're not fully knowledgeable in that field, it can be very difficult, very frustrating, and oftentimes the insurance companies, they're not paying the proper settlement right up front, and it can be a fight and very frustrating. So it's nice to know that there's somebody on your side helping you out with that.
And Don, this time of the year, what you do is tied very closely to weather and weather issues. And of course, we have winter storms in the forecast. We have colder weather coming.
Right.
What are some issues homeowners typically face this time of year?
In the wintertime, a lot of what they're dealing with is ice damming. If you start to see icicles coming off, there might be a bigger issue. The water can actually back up into your home, and you might start to see some water stains. There might be some frozen pipes. You want to make sure you take care of anything underneath your home, or if you have a vacation home and a second home, make sure that those properties are winterized, or that there is some sort of heat in there. Just even with the wind and things like that, just take careful notice of things that might be going on based on the weather, because around here anymore, you never know what the weather's going to be like. So.
And those that have issues or concerns and they want to have you come out, you do offer a free home inspection, but this is not the home inspection when you're buying a house. It's a little different, so explain how it works.
Yeah, so what we do, because one of our main goals is to educate policyholders, so we'll go out and we'll explain what is covered under the policy, review their policy to make sure that they have the proper coverage, make recommendations, and then we also will do a property inspection, which is nothing more than just making sure that they don't have damage that they might be unaware of. Maybe they have shingles that are missing, maybe there's water damage. Most people don't walk around their home, looking up at their ceiling to notice those types of things. So we just make sure that they're aware of anything, and if there is something that needs to be addressed by the insurance, we can handle it from there.
And Don, those that want to talk to you at Metro Public Adjustment, they could either give you a call or check you out online.
Yes, they can, and you can reach me at 570-795-4045.
All right, or check out your website, of course. Yep. Don Hansen from Metro Public Adjustment, thanks for the important information.
Thank you for having me.
All right, let's go to